My name is Mike Lustig. The project I'm working on is called Sparkle Wall. It is a assemblage of 38 2-foot hexagonal panels with over 10,000 mirrored tiles on it. Then in the next month or two, bring all of these panels to the Hyatt and get on a scissor lift and install them in a precise, beautiful way and share something beautiful with lots of people that will get to see themselves and their environment reflected in a beautiful, sparkly way. I'm really excited. We're getting towards the end of a multi-year process, and I'm feeling comfortable and confident and excited that it's going to be a beautiful, timeless, iconic piece.